a location shared, and imaginations run wild. It begins with a meeting of friends. Engines awaken. Silence breaks. The road calls and we answer. But this is only the start. Every turn opens a new story. Every horizon, a new epic ride waiting. The rush of the wind. Freedom in every breath. Mountains rise, valleys fall. The feeling of power beneath you. It's not just speed, it's freedom. Laughter echoing in the open air. Camaraderie that only riders understand. A story written on winding roads and mountain passes. It's life, from the first spark to the last sunset. Every ride is a chapter in your story, moments shared. Because this is more than riding. It's connection, it's passion. A story told in throttle and heartbeat. Freedom in every second, where you discover not just places, but yourself. This is a language that needs no translations, where limits disappear. Every ride, unforgettable. Every moment, yours.